disengaged. Fifth 0. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh, just disappeared in a fog bank.
Uh-oh.
Or cloud, whatever you want to call it.
50%. 50%. 25%. 50%. 50%.
Setting up to land.
0. 25%. 50%.
Whoops. Perfect.
Fast with that plane, so it's hard to get pictures. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna speed up the.
G limit disengaged.
That'll do it.
All right. Everybody good?
G limit disengaged.
That wind is crazy.
Yeah, it is.
25%. 50%. Gear down.
Big pushing.
0.
Pushing. How you doing?
All right,
Bob?
landing.
There's no use here. I thought you pulled in earlier. I thought you were in a different color.
Yes, ma'am. We'll be clear, and 233 will be clear on it.
Yeah, I can't get low as I want to today.
50%. Gear up. G limit disengaged. 0. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. 25%. 50%. Time remaining 1. Seconds.
Keep it above the trees until I know it's over. Yep, there it is.
25%. 50%. Gear up. 50%. G limit disengaged.
Not as well as I would have wanted, but it's worked.
Yeah, where to go?
Time remaining 2 minutes.
It's not.
No.
Like I said.
All right.
Yeah.
50%.
Okay, I'm glad I got one loop that time. 25%, 50%.
All right, preparing to land.
Southbound, yes. clear.
0.
Clear. In the suspicious person. 2423 live, we'll get them all to station. On the
25%. 0.
Yes, ma'am, we'll be clear, and 233 will be clear. Edward, and 2 will both be a 50.
Even with the gyro, it swings like a drunken sailor.